southwestern Jasper County until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 to 3 inches of rain have already fallen over the past hour in portions of the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Fowler, Kentland, Percy Junction, Gunnington, Atkinson, Perkins, Wadena, Lacheel, Bars, Robb, Freeland Park, Remington, Sheldon, Goodland, Brook, Earl Park, and Iroquois. This includes Interstate 65 in southern Jasper County. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, and Newton, and Iroquois, Illinois.
Thanks for that random SVR. That's a flash flood warning. I just called an SVR. I feel so dumb.